Now welcome na chapter 12 now we won't talk about today. And the Bible story now about Jacob and Esau. When Abraham don't die, he can't taste small, but Rebecca never born any pigin. Na him Isaac come pray to God say, make he give him pigin. God can answer in prayer. Rebecca can't carry belle, and na twins she can't get belle with. The two pigin for inside her belly, na so kick that they kick each other. Now she come ask God say, we didn't make this pigin then they fight so much. God can't answer her. He can't say, now because na two nations na you carry for inside your belly so. One of them then go strong well, while the other one no go strong reach the other one. But now the senior one na him go serve the smaller one. When time come reach, when she wanted born, she come born to pigin the big boys. The first one come out with many red hair all over him body. They come call him Esau. The second one come out without any hair for him body. But as they come out, he can't hold the leg of the first one for a hand. Name they can't call him Jacob. The two boys can't grow up. Esau, he like outside where. Na so hunting, he go hunt. While Jacob like to stay inside the house, they cook with his mama. Isaac can't like Esau where because he like bush meat where. While Rebecca can't like Jacob because they stay with them for his house. One day, Esau don't waka go hunt bush meat finish. When he can't come back, he can't dey hungry. Now he can't see Jacob, they cook better stew for kitchen. When he asked Jacob, make he give him small making shop. Jacob can't say, he go give him the stew only if he sell him a birthright as his senior brother. And Esau no even think him at all. He just agree like that. Because of food, now so he can't sell him birthright give his small brother. When Isaac don't old he no can see again like before. He can't know say time don't reach when he go soon die. As per their custom for that time, if Papa won't die, he go give him pigin blessing to be the head of the family. Now he can't call a pigin Esau. Say make he come. Say make he go outside. Make he go hunt better bush meat. Cook him better food. Then make he come. When he don't eat the food finish, he go come bless him as senior pigin and as the head of the family. But you know say Rebecca they listen for outside. When Rebecca come hear wetin Isaac tell Esau, he can't carry Jacob who corner. Tell him say, in hear wetin Papa talk so, say go bless Esau. He can't say, wetin he won't tell him so, make it sure say he do am. She can't say make he go outside, go bring animal come, make them cook better food, go give their papa. So that if Papa go bless him instead of Esau. Jacob can't say, but my Papa go catch me now. Esau get hair, I don't get hair. Now once he go take no say, I no be Esau. Rebecca can't say, make it no worry, say he go sort that one out. When they cook the food finish, Rebecca can't wear Jacob Esau clothes, carry animal skin, put for Jacob body to cover him. Then Jacob can't carry the food, go give him Papa. As he reached there, Isaac say, now what be this? Then Jacob can't say, na me now, na your pigin Esau. Isaac can't say, make it come, make it touch her hand. As he touched her hand, he can't say, your voice ain't be like Jacob voice, but your body it be like Esau body. So now he can say, make it bring the food, make him chop. When his shop finish, he can't say, make it come closer. When he can't smell her, he can't think say na Esau. And so he can't bless him with all the better blessing when he's supposed to give Esau. Jacob can't come out. As they comot, Esau don already reach house. He don start to dey cook the food. When Esau carry the food go give him papa, na him Isaac come say, "Who be this?" Esau come say, "Na me na, your pikin Esau." Isaac come realize wetin don happen. Na him come tell Esau say he don already give all the blessing to Jacob because Jacob trick am. When Esau come say, make he give am any blessing wey remain now, anyone at all. Na Isaac come say, all the better blessing wey he don already give am to Jacob, he don finish. But he come say anyway, he go give am some blessing, but na yeye blessing na he go give Esau. Esau come vex. Na him come plan say wetin him brother do so na bad thing and he go kill him brother no matter wetin happen. When Rebecca come hear wetin Esau wan do, he come say make Jacob start to dey pack a load, make he go her papa side or her papa brother side for their country. Wey name na Laban. She come lie to Isaac say he want make Jacob go find wife for their side. Jacob come carry him property run before Esau fit do anything. So Jacob continue escape Esau after he don trick am finish. And so the story come end though. And I thank you.